this is Chantel with WTI. Does anyone else have a husband who makes late night purchases? When this showed up, I was like, what? But we absolutely love it. This is the little Bambino by Great Northern Popcorn Company, and it's just been a big hit in our house. We love watching movies together at home, so this machine has been used a lot. I love how easy it is to work, and having the instructions right on the front is really great. I love that our son can make a snack whenever he wants. That's how easy it is to use. The machine requires oil before adding the seeds, and we always add the salt right into the popper, and you can always add more salt after it's done. There's also a handle on the side so you can dump out all the popcorn into the tray. I mean, who doesn't love movie theater popcorn? It's so good, and we love being able to make it at home. And of course, our son's cousins and friends think it's so cool. The main concern I had when this showed up was, where in the world am I going to store this thing? But it's not as big as I was expecting, and it is easily stored in our kitchen cabinet. I definitely recommend this popcorn machine, but that's just my point of view.